Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best soccer board coach magnetic is probably one of the most underutilized tools in a coach's arsenal, but it's a game changer when it comes to visualizing tactics. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features that make this magnetic board a must-have for any soccer coach looking to elevate their game strategy and communication, from youth leagues to professional levels. Number 5. Murray Magnetic Soccer Coach's Clipboard. This is the Murray Magnetic Soccer Coach's Clipboard. It's designed to help coaches strategize and plan their soccer games effectively. It provides a clear and organized way to visualize plays and team formations. The board features an easy-to-wipe-off surface, ensuring it's always ready for the next play. Made from high-quality, durable materials, it's built to last through many seasons of coaching. With its larger size, this clipboard offers plenty of space to draw up plays, matchups, and game plans. The bigger format gives you ample room to create the next winning strategy. The front side features a full soccer field to help direct game flow and establish positioning. The back side has an enlarged half soccer field for detailed half-field sets. The clipboard comes with 2 dry erase markers with magnetic caps, an eraser, team magnets, referee magnets, and a soccer ball magnet. Everything you need is included to get started. What we like. This board offers a large surface, perfect for drawing up detailed plays and formations. With its double-sided design, you can easily switch between full-field and half-field views. If you're a coach who needs ample space and comprehensive tools, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The board is very well made and the magnets are strong. The magnets are strong and stay in place. The board is a great size and easy to see the plays. Number 4. Kwik Goal Soccer Magnetic Board. This magnetic board is perfect for coaches at any level. It's a great tool to help you visualize and explain strategies to your team. The board's dimensions are 8.5 inches wide and 12 inches high, making it easy to handle. It's compact enough to carry around while still providing ample space for your game plans. With this handheld magnetic board, you can easily review tactics with your players. It allows you to clearly demonstrate plays and formations. The color-coded magnetic player pieces help you define drills and game strategies. You can use them repeatedly to create and modify your plans. The board comes with player magnets and a training session planner. This gives you everything you need to organize and execute your coaching strategies. What we like. This handheld board is great for quick tactical reviews with your players. The color-coded magnetic player pieces help you clearly define drills and game strategies. If you are looking for a simple and portable solution to discuss tactics on the go, this one is for you. What people say. I can put the little round magnets on the board to demonstrate some plays, close it with the magnets in the position they're in, throw the clipboard in a backpack and drive home, open the backpack, and the magnets haven't budged from their position. Attached to the right-hand side of the foldable clipboard is a button pouch that holds all of your round magnets, 12 red, 12 blue, 2 yellow, 1 black, dot. The clipboard side contains a book's worth of practice sheets. Number 3. Champion Sports Dry Erase Board for Coaching. Every successful game begins with a solid strategy. This dry erase board is designed to help coaches visualize and demonstrate plays and formations, ensuring optimal performance and success on the field. This sports planner is easy to use and read, featuring a double-sided design with both full and half-field views. It also comes with 2 clip-on dry erase markers in black and red, providing everything you need to strategize effectively. This reusable and erasable board is lightweight and portable, making it superior to chalkboards. It provides clear imagery with bright green field parameters, and can be easily clipped into notebooks or game books. Built to last, this durable diagram clipboard is the perfect coaching accessory. Unlike paper, it can withstand rain, snow, and wear and tear, ensuring your plans stay intact no matter the conditions. This whiteboard isn't just for one sport, it's a universal tool. It can be used to strategize for football, field hockey, and lacrosse, making it a convenient choice for multi-sport coaches. What we like. This board is double-sided, offering both full and half-field views for versatile strategizing. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry to practices and games. If you are a multi-sport coach, this board's adaptability will be a game changer. What people say. I've been coaching baseball 14 years. This by far is my favorite clipboard. It's durable, withstands being tossed around everywhere in the equipment bag and on the fence. Love that it has the dry erase. It's long, which I like too. Easy to use, the pen has nice Velcro sticky so it won't fall off. The front side has a full court and the back side has an enlarged half court. It was very helpful to draw plays on the board for visual learners. And it's only $10, so you really can't go wrong. The ink is very easy to wipe off as well. Excellent product. The quality of the board is great, firm and strong, and it's very easy to write on. The common problem with boards like this that I have bought before are that they erased badly and left stains. This one wipes clean the first time. Number 2. Soccer Coaching Board Tactical Magnetic Board Kit. This coaching board features a durable PU leather cover. It includes a magnetic pitch and a write and wipe surface. This allows you to clearly illustrate strategies. The coaching clipboard is designed for convenience. It comes with magnetic markers to easily mark formations. It's also foldable, making it easy to carry around. This tactics folder is perfect for planning. It helps devise matchday strategies and substitutions. It's also great for innovative training sessions. This board is a great tool for coaches. It helps explain and reinforce football fundamentals. It's perfect for before every game. The football coaching board has a write and wipe design. You can erase it after writing without leaving a trace. This makes it durable for repeated use. What we like. This board features a PU leather cover and is designed to be foldable for easy carrying. It's perfect for devising matchday strategies and planning training sessions. If you need a durable and portable board to plan your training, this is the right choice. What people say. Purchased these for our youth soccer coaches in our club. They all loved them. Several coaches personalized them by adding picture magnets to mark player positions. Works well, helps shows the players on the bench or at halftime different movements. Number 1. Soccer Coaching Board Tactical Magnetic Board Kit. This coaching board features a PU leather cover, a magnetic pitch, and a write and wipe surface. It's a high-quality, stylish, and durable piece of equipment. This is perfect for any coach looking to elevate their game. The board folds to a compact size, making it easy to carry. It's lightweight and includes a PU ring for added convenience. It is great for coaches, players and teams of all levels. It comes with 2 sets of magnetic markers. This allows you to easily illustrate formations for your team and your opponents. This makes it easy to visualize strategies. This tactics folder is ideal for creating matchday strategies and substitutions. It's also perfect for planning training sessions. It helps your team develop innovative set-piece routines. The smooth surface allows you to draw strategy lines easily. It's designed for easy writing and wiping. This is a great gift for any soccer coach. What we like. This board is made with superior PU leather and is both foldable and portable. The write and wipe feature allows for easy drawing and erasing of strategies. If you like a stylish and durable board that's easy to carry, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. For the price, I thought it'd be more janky, but to be surprised, it came in a pretty nice faux leather folder and all the pieces stick pretty well to the board. Easy to carry around and nothing has fallen out yet. Excellent producto y didactico. Muy útil y práctica, se puede utilizar muy bien y muy cómoda, no necesita mucho espacio. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.